Hey, welcome back to the No Code Minute. Have you ever been to a website that you were trying to look at on your phone and it just didn't fit right? It looked wonky? That's because it wasn't fit for your screen. It wasn't responsive. Why is responsiveness so important? My largest web app that I built on Bubble has all types of users. Desktop, mobile, tablets, of all different kinds. More than half are on mobile phones. The same amount of desktop users are also tablet users. It's important to be able to reach as many people as possible. Wouldn't you agree? Whether you are selling a SaaS or software as a service, or have the next big social networking app, you want your app to be responsive. Mobile phones aren't going anywhere. In some countries, the majority of the population do not even own a desktop computer, but they do have a smartphone. Do you want to miss out on your next potential customer just because they couldn't see your web app correctly on a mobile device? I know I wouldn't. Well, that's your No Code Minute for the day. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe.